wasn't able to record me going to pick up the bike. First initial reaction when I heard the M4 exhaust, I just put a full exhaust on there. DanMoto Headers with the M4 slip-on. Titanium headers. You can see they're starting to get a little darker in there. I'm not sure if you can tell from the angle. Let me take it over. But already starting to get a little darker in there, getting the color, which is gonna be sweet once it's done. Getting that true color. But yeah, I wasn't able to record that, so I decided I should do a first cold start instead. Do a quick walk around, let y'all see the bike. Let y'all see it. I love this thing though, man. That first ride home was crazy, and I was salty I wasn't able to record that. I had forgot my GoPro on the way to work because I had my wife drop me off today, but it's all good. Y'all gonna see plenty of me riding. So plans with the bike basically. So basically I plan on swapping out the plastics. I'm gonna swap out the plastics. I'm actually getting ready to put new levers on there. It's not the shorties. The shorties are a little bit too small for my hand. I had them on my R6, and they made my hand hurt when I was in traffic a lot. I'm actually getting ready to throw these levers on right here. See, it kind of matches the color. I plan on going with this color. I'm gonna do a Nardo gray with blue rims, and probably a bunch of little blue accents and stuff. Yeah, but I'll give y'all the first cold start. Let's see how it sounds. Sound. The tone is crazy to me in comparison to my R6. I had an M4 on the R6 as well. It was just the Street Slayer, which sounds super great, you know what I'm saying, super dope for a 600 bike, but nothing's topping this to me right now. It's definitely my dream bike. Ever since I started you know what I'm saying, getting into bikes and liking bikes, I always told myself I was gonna get an S1000. I didn't think I was gonna get one in 9 months of only riding and getting rid of my R6, but it is what it is. I'm happy I was able to grab that. So we're gonna go ahead and install these. I guess you can call them shorties, but they're not completely short. Shorty levers. I don't got all the tools I need, so we just gonna improvise, yo. It's all good though. Now that we got this part out, we got that out. That was the hard part, getting that out of there. Drop that right back in there so smoothly. So we finally got it in there. As you guys seen, I dropped a little washer that goes in there, but I was able to shake it out and find it. Now it's time to improvise again and tighten this side up. got one side on. Yeah, it looks good. Looks a lot better than the stock one that we had on there originally. Yeah, this would be so much quicker if I didn't have to improvise so much, but hey.
It is what it is.
It is what it is. Now it's time to do the brake. Drill it out. Well, now I know it's just a little screw that goes straight in from here. Simple as that. Literally just a screw. Pretty simple. Step bug I just seen. But yeah, literally that simple. Bolt, screw, that's it. Oh yeah, we had to try to get this washer out of here too. It was a little pain getting the first one out, but we got it out. I remember what I used to knock this thing down, actually. Oh, actually, this is what we're doing. Got in there, using this to knock it, y'all. Improvise. Can't find my other two tool sets. Gotta do this. Nope. Gotta keep knocking. We might have knocked as much as we can with this setup. Nope, got it out. There we go. Gotta get this out of there. We might have run into an issue. I am not sure. I'm not sure if these are the stock ones or aftermarket. You can see this thing is huge in comparison to this hole right here. So it is going to be tough trying to get this and this. It's not going to work. So we're just going to try to throw it on there without it and see how it goes. Let's see. See how she fits. Looks like it's gonna fit well, actually. Surprisingly, and I see why it was trying to get out. Oh, let me check something. Yeah, it fits. Alright, so we finally got that in there. Almost in there, I should say that. Figured it out. There's a spot where you need to screw on. Can't just force it. Alrighty.
go.
Take this off here. So we got both levers on the bike. As you guys see, it's super simple. It's not hard at all to do. I know a lot of guys take their bike to the shop to get the levers on there. As you see, I did it with not even having the correct tools. So we improvised, but hey, we got the job done. That's all that matters. That's all that matters. But yeah, this is the bike. I appreciate you guys tuning in. And yeah, we out.